How y'all doing? Are you hungry? Well, let me tell you, today I'm gonna show you how to make this carrot pear soup. A little sweet, a little savory, all awesome. So let's get started. All right, it is time to prep. The first thing you want to do is to peel and chop your carrots and your pears. Now, in my opinion, I don't think you have to really peel the pears. I did about 3/4 of each one, but I mean, it's so thin, just keep it in. It's good fiber. Once you're done that, set them aside. Then you wanna get a nice large pot and add in about a tablespoon or 15 grams of butter. Once it's melted, then you're gonna add in, get this, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Now, when the brown sugar begins to melt into the butter, that's when you're gonna add in your pears. Full disclosure, it was at this point that I realized I should have chopped them up a little smaller, but whatever. Let the pears caramelize, I would say for about 5 minutes, and then you're gonna add in your carrots and let those caramelize with the pears for an additional 5 minutes. The whole time it was set to a medium heat. Now, once that additional 5 minutes is up, you're going to add in salt and pepper to taste and 3 cups or about 750 milligrams of vegetable broth. Stir everything together and cover the pot again. This time you're gonna let it simmer for about 15 minutes. And now we wait. Hopefully you have an immersion blender and you can do everything within the pot, or you can just transfer all the liquids, the pears, the carrots and everything, you can just transfer that over to a blender. But if you have an immersion blender, you can blend everything up, make it nice and smooth and a gorgeous orange color in the pot. Be careful not to burn yourself because you are absolutely within the splash zone. I'm not speaking from experience, let's move on. Once everything is blended, then you're gonna add in 1/2 a cup or about 105 milligrams of coconut milk. Stir that in and it's time to eat. It's a little sweet, it's a little savory, it's different, and I think I really like it. And if you really like it, be sure to leave a comment and a like and subscribe if you haven't already below. And while we're here, why don't you let me know what other types of recipes you'd like to see me do right here on the channel, and I'll get back to you. All right, people, have an awesome day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.